30s, not married, been here for a couple of years, been working there for about 5 months. He said I was the first person to stop to talk to.
Really?
To strike a conversation in 5 months.
Okay.
He says, you're the only one that stopped to talk to me in 5 months. I'm like, what?
That's a very kind gesture, I would say, yeah.
Yeah, thank you for saying that. I don't know if it's kind. It's just, it's me just wanted to meet people, right? And it turns out that he is an IT professor. He has 10 years experience in Ghana.
Okay.
He has a hard time getting a job here. And I go, really, why? He goes, this is what he does. They color my skin. He goes, I'll get the pre-interviews on the phone or whatever, but as soon as they see me, I'm like, really? I'm like, this is a center of the world that's brought the best of the world, right?
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find a job, you know? So that's the story of Patrick. I mean, he pays for his family back home.